What's going on, guys? So we're at my cottage right now. We're out on Bob's Lake, Ontario. It's a little misty right now. Showers just went through. We were out earlier, but we had to call it because it started to downpour on us. But it's passed through. Thunderstorm coming later, but we thought we'd try and get out here and make a quick video for you guys. I'm fishing with my cousin Nick. And yeah, we're just gonna wing it, see what's happening. The water temperature is about 56, 57 degrees right now. Bass should be coming up for the pre-spawn or spawning. So we'll see what we can do with it, but yeah, get ready. All right, guys, so we just got to our first spot. I don't know if you can see, but basically we're going to be fishing shoreline structures in all these laydowns. We're going to be looking for that along the shoreline. We'll pitch up to it. We're going to be throwing senkos, jerk baits, spinner baits, anything. See if these pre-spawners coming up are going to be active feeding. And can't bed fish right now. It's cloudy, rainy, but we'll see what we can do with what we have. Yeah, so right now it's raining, but I mean, hopefully it won't get too hard, coming down hard again. But we got our rain gear this time. We came out earlier and that wasn't good. We didn't bring rain gear. We weren't prepared or anything, and yeah, there we go. First fish on in Canada, Bob's Lake. First one of the season. A little small one, small guy. Yeah. As you can see, I was switched over to a senko, but yeah, I switched over to a senko. Before that I was using a jerk bait, wasn't getting anything. I threw this right up snug into laydowns we're fishing and hooked in, but yeah, see if I can get another here. Maybe Nick can join the party, who knows. This is actually, is this a nice one?
No, I'm in the boat.
Oh, not a bad one. There's a nice largemouth, Nick.
Maybe a couple pounds.
Yeah, a good pound and a half probably.
Yeah.
Nice. There we go. Hey. There we go.
Got the net today.
Yeah, guys, we're without a net. Alright, guys, just hooked up again. Doesn't feel too big, but it's gonna be a fish. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that big Rocky. Big Rocky. Not the bass we're looking for, but I mean, at least it's a fish. Good old rock bass. They're a nuisance. So just to give you guys a little explanation of what we're doing and how we're doing it. You guys have probably heard this before, but we're fishing with senkos. Some of you probably know how to fish them. The way we do it, we Texas rig them, weedless, weightless as well, and we just cast them out. And so what happens is the bait, when it goes in the water, it just cradles down, and it's just a really subtle action, and bass just love them. And it's funny because I've noticed over the years fishing it that like the smaller ones, your line you'll see on the water, it'll just zoom right up and get tight really fast, whereas the bigger ones will just inhale it so subtly, and it's just a little like ticking your line. And when you see that tick, it's usually a good sign. You usually like to see that. Yeah, it didn't really seem that the moving baits were really working too well. You know, we were trying jerk baits, spinner baits, crank baits, but it seems like this is the move right now. Got two bass and rock bass in the boat. There's one. I wasn't even paying attention. Oh man. Got off. I don't know what happened there. I don't know if it was a big sunny or rock bass just pulling it, or if it was an actual bass. Guys, if you love senko fishing as much as my cousin and I do, oh, Nick's hooked up right now actually. Is that a rock bass? What is that?
Rock bass.
Oh, rock bass. Yeah, you'll weed through those when you're senko fishing, but yeah, if you guys love senkos, it's a little expensive. I think this was like 30 bucks, but it was well worth it. This kit is filled with senkos. I mean, all colors, all the colors you need. I use them on cloudy days. I like to use the darker colors. I really love this black blue speck. On sunny days, lighter days, if you're fishing a clear natural lake like we are, I'll just use like a green or a pumpkin type color. And they love those. They're so subtle, and senko fishing's really fun. But yeah, you guys gotta pick up that kit. Any outdoor store you can get them, basically. Guys, just to give you a quick update, so my cousin Nick, why did you put monofilament on one of those poles?
I go to set the hook and there's just too much play in the line, too much stretch. So I'm going back to my walleye rod.
Yeah, so yeah, he had his senko that he was fishing on with that monofilament. Like he said, there's too much stretch when he goes to set the hook, and he can't really drive it into the mouth of whatever fish is going for it. Alright guys, I just hooked up. My line was a little messed up at first, and I was able to fix it. Oh, not a bad one. Not a bad one at all. He swallowed it too. Guys, let me show you what this senko does. He absolutely devoured that. I mean, choked it. But yeah, I'm gonna get this guy off. Nice chunk. Not bad. The thing about senko fishing is it's really slow. It's kind of just tedious, just kind of waiting. It's very rewarding. You get a lot of fish doing it. But at the same time, if you're one that likes to keep going, can't sit still, probably not for you. It's fun. Like, oh, there's gotta be one. Yep, there's a fish. Not too big, but little baby largemouth. Look at that, cutie, little cutie. Hey, fish is a fish, though. Can't complain. Let's look for its mom or dad now. Oh, what? Oh, dude, why I set into that? I thought it was big. Turns out it was just like I thought I hooked into my dream. Oh, that would have been nice. I wonder what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. Is it, are we doing grill again? I would not mind a nice flat iron steak right now. Big flat iron steak guy.
That does sound pretty good. Switching to brown. What do you got on?
Good morning, guys. What's going on? So I'm out here fishing this morning, still on Bob's Lake, still at my cottage. So we filmed that first part of the video, and rain came on and thunderstorms came on, and it was just wash out the rest of the day and night. So, but I'm gonna pick back up right now and get going where we left off. I'm gonna go in this nice little cove, this nice little bay. It looks juicy, guys. Just wait until you see it. This looks nice. There's laydowns, little pockets. There's a nice, it just goes right back into a creek. Should be some big fish. And right now it's overcast skies. It was a little foggy this morning, but the temperatures are rising. It's gonna be 75 degrees today. It's gonna be sunny. So hopefully we can get into some good fish for you guys. Get ready. fishing these lay downs, and this cove is just really nice. It's just a really nice cove. We got lily pads right here. We got tall grass coming out. We got logs right here. This little pocket just has it all. Guys, I'm hooked up. Oh, first largemouth of the morning. Get it here. Oh man, that was a nice one. That was awesome. Yeah, there she is. Nice one. I'm fishing this Zoom horny toad topwater frog, soft plastic. I love them, weedless. So I cast it in, and as soon as I started reeling, it slapped it, missed it, so I just let it sink. And when I started reeling, it just inhaled it. Alright guys, so the way I'm fishing this Zoom horny toad is, so as you can see, you got these back two phalanges, and when you reel it across the top of the water, they obviously make a lot of commotion and they make splash on the water. And so what I do is I just do a standard retrieve. You know, I just retrieve it back. But then what I do is, if I ever have a bass hit it at the top of the water, a lot of the time they'll miss it. What I'll do is I'll just let it sink right in that place, and that's what I did on the last one, and he ate it as it was sinking. I let it sink like a senko, and they just engulf it most of the time. But yeah, if you ever get a bass chasing it and you see a wake, or if it hits it and misses it, just let it sink right there. And a lot of time you'll get one on. All right guys, quick intermission. I'm out here. My cousins just met up with me. They're on their two twin sea-doos. We got Nick and Nate right here. Look at those beautiful sea-doos. But yeah, we haven't really caught anything. Just one bass so far. It was on topwater though. Yeah, that was fun. All right guys, what's going on? We're back out here. Still at the cottage today. It's a beautiful sunny blue sky day. So at our cottage on Bob's Lake, Ontario, there is a river by the name of Tay River. It goes up, and there's a dam at the end of our lake. And walleye will come up the river in this time of the year, and they'll pool up in these pools, and it's easy to catch them. So hopefully you can get into some. There'll probably be some smallmouth, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right guys, hopefully you can hear me. I kind of got to yell over this little pool, but yeah, this is the pool we're going to be fishing in. I'm back with my cousin Nick.
What's up guys?
But yeah, today we're going to be doing some drop shotting into this pool. We're rigged up, ready to go. Hopefully get some walleye and smallmouth. But yeah, get ready. All right guys, so well, that didn't go out as planned. I think this is dead. Maybe it's too early, I don't know. Usually this time of year it's not bad, but then again, like I've said, water's been extremely high, and the winter up here was later than normal, so I don't know. But I'll just go ahead and throw this. I was gonna make it a separate video, but I'll just throw this on with all the fishing that I've done this weekend and make it one big video for you guys. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, and right now I'll put the tag to my Instagram on my cousin's Instagram down in the description box, and you guys can go check us out. We've got great stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll be back for more. See ya.